Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get grid lines on photos. Grid lines are a simple yet powerful tool to elevate your photography. They overlay a 3x3 or 4x4 grid onto your camera view or editing screen, guiding your composition. This helps you position subjects along intersecting lines or at their points, creating more dynamic and visually appealing images. It's a fundamental technique for achieving professional-looking results with ease. Most modern smartphones and digital cameras offer a built-in grid line feature. To activate it, simply open your camera app and navigate to its settings. You'll typically find an option called Grid, Composition Lines, or Rule of Thirds. Tap to enable it, and you'll immediately see the helpful lines appear on your screen, ready to guide your next shot. This takes just a few seconds to set up. If you forgot to use grid lines while shooting, don't worry. Many photo editing applications, like Snapseed or Adobe Lightroom Mobile, offer grid overlays during the cropping or transforming process. Simply open your photo, select the crop tool, and you'll often see an option to display a grid. This allows you to fine-tune your composition, straighten horizons, and balance elements even after the picture has been taken. Beyond basic composition, grid lines are fantastic for advanced techniques. Try aligning your horizon with one of the two horizontal lines, not always the center. For portraits, position your subject's eyes along the top horizontal line. Experiment with placing important elements at the 4 intersecting points to draw the viewer's eye. With practice, these simple lines will become an intuitive part of your creative process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.